Hello everyone, it's Cathy here, and today I'm going to show you how to use a yarn winder. But before I do that, I'll just explain why you would possibly want a yarn winder. If you have leftover yarn from different projects, it becomes a bit difficult to handle and organise. So once you have a yarn winder, you'll be able to transform your leftover yarn into balls of yarn like this, and then you'll be able to place them in a yarn bowl, so then you'll be able to easily access them for projects, especially if you use an Addy or a Centro, or if you want to knit or crochet different projects, you'll be able to release your yarn really easily. So I've got a yarn winder like this, and it looks like this, and they're really simple to use. So I'll set one up and I'll show you how you can transform leftover yarn like this into a nice neat ball like this. So I've repositioned myself so that I'm at the edge of my table, and you'll see that there's a knob at the top of the yarn winder, and that moves this bar so that you can easily attach it to the edge of a table or whatever surface. I usually sit at a little decorator table that I have, so then I can watch TV and have different balls of yarn that I might want to use to organise. So I'll just show you what I do. So this knob will tighten once you connect it to the surface that you wish to use. So I've just slid that in. I'm just going to turn the knob in a clockwise position, and that will connect that to my table, and that's really good. So next we're going to thread the yarn winder, and I'll just move the camera just a little bit just so that you can see, and I'll zoom in just a little bit. So first of all, you need to just remember that I like to go always in a direction like this, away from myself. So hold the yarn in your hands like this, and then we're going to start through the yarn feeder. So you go away, up, and pull it up. And now we're going to do the same thing but with the first metal loop, and wind it around and up, and that will pull it through. And now that's successfully through the yarn winder. Then there's a slot at the top, so I'm just going to press that down like that. Next, we just start winding. So I push the handle away from myself, and that will get it started. I just start off slow, and that will catch the tail of that first part of the yarn, and then I just, once that's caught, then I apply a little bit of tension, and then you just start winding. Just release some yarn, and you just continue winding, and you'll see that it starts forming that nice shape, and I'll just keep on going. I'm near the end of my yarn. I haven't got much left, so I'll just show you what I do to finish off. So that's the last of my yarn. So all I do is pull it off, just slide it off, and that's it, all done. Quick and easy, ready to use for your next project, and easy to store away, and it won't get messy. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope that you'll, if you've got a yarn winder, that you'll use it and you'll see how easy it is to use.